Here's another word problem on fractions. We're told that a water tank is 2/5 full. If the tank's capacity is 1000 liters, how many liters of water are in the tank? And we have to express our answer as a decimal. Here's how we solve it. Solution. First things first, we have to multiply this fraction by the total full capacity. That is, if the full capacity is 1000, then 2/5 would be what? That is 2/5 of 1000. And this will give you 2/5 times 1000. This is like over 1. And then 5 year 1, 5 year is 200. That is, we have 2 multiplied by 200 liters. Therefore, we can then say that the amount of liters that is in this tank is 400.0 liters. And this is how we solve this problem. Thank you.